Every ride is a chance to rediscover myself. Out on the open road, the noise fades, the pressure drops, and suddenly it's just you, the machine, and the truth you've been avoiding. Riding strips life down to what really matters: your breath, your courage, your presence. And every time you return, you come back a little clearer, a little stronger, a little more you. In 2026, let Vietnam be the place where you rediscover yourself again and again, through the roads you ride, the friends beside you, and the freedom that meets you around every corner.